Hello student, today we are going to discuss important topic of AI artificial intelligence, that is steps of natural language process. In last lecture we discussed natural language processing and applications of NLP also we discussed. So what is NLP? How the human communicate with each other. Computer should replicate the same thing. So we already discussed the things that artificial intelligence is the branch of science, and it consists of a different intelligent node, and that machine should have replicate or imitate the human's things. The applications of NLP are speech recognition, that is Google Assistant and Siri, sentiment analysis, that is social media, Facebook and tweets. At that time the sentiment analysis is used, machine translation and chatbots. So these are the few things, applications of NLP. Now the steps of NLP are morphological and lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, discourse integration, and pragmatic analysis. Yes, we will discuss these things with detail. The lexicon of a language or tokens of a language is its vocabulary that includes its words and expressions. Morphology describe analyzing, identifying and description of structure of a words. Lexical analysis involves dividing a text into paragraph, words and sentences. Syntactic analysis. The syntax concerns the proper ordering of words and its effect on the meaning. This involves analysis of the words and in a sentence to describe the grammatical structure of this sentence. Yes, that the sentence should be in a proper manner. Suppose the man killed a deer, so we can write, so there is a proper meaning is there. But whether I can write just like killed a deer man the SNAL S, so we cannot write these things in just like way. So that proper, there being a proper structure which is to be in that sentence, then and then only the sentence it is in a meaningful form. The words are transformed into structure that shows how the words are, the how the words are related to each other. The girls, they go to the school. This will definitely be rejected by the English syntactic analyzer. Exactly. Semantic analysis. The semantic concern the literal meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Semantic means what? Meaningful sentences, meaningful statements should be there. This abstracts the dictionary meaning or exact meaning from the context. Now, next one is that the structure which are created by the syntactic analyzer are assigned meaning. For example, colorless blue idea. This would be rejected by the analyzer as colorless blue do not make any sense together. Yes, exactly. Discourse integration. The sense of a context, or what we can say that the meaning of the statement depend on the previous statement. Identical entities, part of entity and part of action sequences. The meaning of any single sentence depend upon the sentences that precede it and invokes the meaning of the sentences that follow it. The word it in the sentence that she wanted it depend upon the prior discourse context. So what she want, that she want it. Okay, so this thing, the meaning of that statement which is to be depend upon the previous statement. Okay, so these are the few 5 steps of a natural language processes, and uh, in this way the NLP work on that 5 steps, that are morphological and lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, discourse integration, pragmatic analysis. Okay, thank you.